Hey everyone, so back doing a video. We're gonna try this new Hotshots. Well, it's not new, it's always been there, but it's Hotshots Stiction Eliminator, also with the T5 synthetic blend. I used to do T6, not saying anything about T6. I mean, I just was poor and I just was just like, 15 bucks is cheaper. But yeah, I can use that $15 for fuel or something. But anyways, we're gonna try this out, and I have to use this whole thing. So the first time you use it, you're supposed to use a whole bottle for your trucks for the more engine capacity. So we're gonna use the whole thing, and after about, it says every third oil change, you're only supposed to use half of it. So first time, it's supposed to do a bunch of stuff, and it's supposed to help a lot. And I saw a video where it's like you drive 900 miles and you notice a huge difference. Your mileage went up. You can pause and read all this stuff too, but obviously Duramaxes don't use, their oil doesn't flow through the injector, so it doesn't have anything to do with us. But it just improves power, and you can read all about it on their website. But it's their wear and tear on just metals and stuff. It just looks crazy different. Like I tried Arc Oil, RevX, and they all did stuff too, so I'm kind of seeing what this will do. It's 30 bucks. I got it at Walmart. So there's all the stuff. But we're gonna do this, and we're gonna put in, I'm draining the oil right now. So there, we're doing it now. I'm draining the oil. It's my daughter's feet. So a lot cleaner. Got the oil filter. Just waiting for it to all drain, and then I'm trying to figure out, but I'm pretty sure since this is a quart, I don't know. Let me figure that out. I'm not gonna say anything right now because it'll make me sound dumb. But I want to read more into it before I actually do it. But yeah, should make it run a little smoother and get more power and hopefully better mileage. And right now I'm doing pretty good. So going about 60 miles per gallon or 60 miles per hour to another town that's close by to get my kids and stuff, I get about 20, 21. So we'll see. Okay, so we're back. I'm driven about 800 miles at least, and it is like a ginormous, not ginormous, but like I personally know my truck, and everyone would, obviously know their own truck, but it's like, it just what's the word, it just runs so much smoother. Like, it's crazy. Like my RPMs usually were like kind of like all out of the place, all out of, they go from like, I think it's, don't quote me, but it's like 600 to 675 RPMs to almost almost 700 RPMs, and then back to 680, 675, you stay in that range, and then all of a sudden go back like the set or 690, and it just kind of like weird. I don't know why, but it would do that all the time. But just starting it, hold on, give me one moment, because I want to make sure the radio is off, because I will get demonetized. Okay, so here we go. But it would, yeah, I'm low on gas. But it just runs so much smoother, and it's a lot quieter. I also noticed with the turbo, there's not that much lag, and obviously the oil goes from whatever to the turbo, but it just runs so much smoother. You can just hear it. It's like, I don't know, I would recommend doing this. I'm just like kind of stuck on it now, but yeah, see, like it stays in that range all the time now. Usually you go like 690, then all of a sudden, and you can feel it too. It's like blah 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 blah, and it was weird. I don't know. And so it just, I don't know how to explain it, but you gotta try it yourself. I totally recommend it. But so I'm not supposed to do it till like the next and 2 more oil changes. But I definitely recommend it. It is kind of expensive to do it once, but it is way worth it. Like, no issues whatsoever. It runs a lot better. I don't know. That's all I can tell you. It just runs so much smoother. Other than that, I would do it all over again, which I'm going to do. But next time it's a lot cheaper because you buy the bottle, but you can keep half of it because you only do half of the bottle. Yeah, so get it, and I'll put the link down below. You can on Amazon or whatever, or go buy it at Walmart. I got mine at Walmart. You can get it at Cal Ranch or I think Tractor Supply, but definitely get yourself a bottle. Definitely help you.